This is our stateroom, I think they call it, on the Carnival Glory. It's little itty bitty room, but it's all right. So essentially it's just a bed and a little sitting area with the mirror. Hello. And Tim comes with the room. Pink. Little desk area. Little dresser. Let's take a look in here. Oh, bathrobes. They give you bathrobes.
Oh, nice.
And the essential life vests, which is important. What else do they have here? Oh, little closet. Another little mirror. Nice. What's in here? Yet another closet. Oh, instructions on how to get out of here if we need to. Bathroom. That's so weird. Oh. Turn the light on. Huh. That's a very odd looking toilet. Little sink. Hello. What's here? Some tea. Soap. Oh, toothpaste. More soap. Glasses. And then a shower. Very, very little. Oh, look at that. Shower gel and shampoo. See, we didn't need to bring it.
Very nice.
Very good.
Get your temperature control here.
Yep. I am freezing.
Let's just turn the temperature up.
All right. Well, this is our room for the next 48 hours, Tim, is it? Yep.